Good students, today I will teach you about addition and subtraction of matrix measure. Okay? Case first, we study about addition in which add and express answer in decimal form. Okay, here add, I give you an example. Add 20 kg plus 5 gram plus 300 kg plus 25 gram. Okay, add it. Here 5 gram convert into measure unit kg, and here 25 gram also convert into kilogram. If given all values are convert into smaller unit or all are in measure unit. Okay, after this add or subtract any. Here 20 kg and here 5 gram, convert here 5 gram into kilogram. 5 divided by 1000, then gram convert into kilogram. Okay, the value of k is equal to 1000. Multiply in this, then 1000 cancel of this. Okay, then we get first arm 5 kg. Here k is equal to 1000. Okay, k balance of this. Okay, here 1000 multiply 1000 divided of 5, we get 0.005 kg. Okay, and 25 gram convert into kg, then also divide it by 1000 and here write kg. Okay, here can write, and here 1000 divide of 25, we get 0.025. Okay, kg. After this add all are convert into kg. Here write all are in kg. Then write here 20, and here after point 3 digit 1 2 3. Then write here after 20, write 20.000, because highest digits place after point is 3, 1 2 3. Then here write 20.00030 increase, and after this we can write here 5 kg, means this 0.005. Okay, and after this 300 kg, here write 300, 1/10 100 after point. Okay, can write, and add after 25 gram. 25 gram is equal to convert in kg, we get 0.025 5. Okay, add all 5 5 10 0 carry 1 2 plus 1 3 and here 0 plus 0 and here 2 and here 3 kg. Okay, this is the answer 3 to 320.030 kg, which is the answer. Okay, so these types of questions we observe that all are in same unit or different. If different, then we make all same, smaller unit or major unit. After this, add or subtract any. Here this 7 meter and 83 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 meter and 12 centimeter. This is smaller unit and some are major and some are smaller. They all are different. Therefore, all make in major unit or we can make it a smaller unit. But here we make in major unit. Here point 83 centimeter convert into meter. Here 83 divide by 100, then we get meter. C finish here, the value of C is equal to 1 by 100. Okay, on this place we write 83 C finish and write 1 upon 100, then divide 83 by 100, we get here 0.83 meter. Okay, and here 5 centimeter and here 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon C finish and write 100. Okay, the value of C here only meter and we get divide 5, we get 0.05 meter. Okay, and 12 centimeter, here 12 centimeter is equal to 12 upon 100 meter, we get 0.12 meter. Okay, meter. And after this all add all are in meter, then here write 7 and after decimal maximum digit 2 place 1 and 2, here also 1 2, then here write 7.00. Okay, then and add here 0.83 we can write here, and here 5 0.05. Okay, and here 0.12. Okay, and here add 8 meter 8.00. Okay, and add R 5 3 10 to 5 3 8 to 10 0 carry 1 and 8 1 9 1 10 0 carry 1 and 8 7 15 1 16. Okay, meter. Thus answer is equal to, during the addition we get 16 meter. Okay, these types of questions you can solve on it. Then add. Okay, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, here after this, next question, which will be from subtraction. 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 Case second. Subtraction. Here subtraction. Here example, I give you an example. Subtract 25 meter 25 gram from 3 kg. Okay, here solution for this from question 30 kg minus from 25 grams, subtract 25 gram from 3 kg, then 3 kg minus 25 gram. Here 25 gram convert into kg, major unit. 25 gram is equal to 25 upon 1000 kg. Okay, divide it 1000, we get here 0.025 kg. Okay, then here subtract here 3 kg minus 0.025 kg. Okay, here write it, then add kg, write here kg and 3 after point 3 digit, maximum 3 digit, then we write here, make its form 3.000, can write, or we make 3 kg in this form, can write. Okay, to subtract 0.025 kg, here 025, subtract it. Take borrow, here get 10 minus 5, we get 5, here remains 9, left 9, 9 minus 2, 7, and here left 9, we get 9, here remains 2 kg. Okay, thus 2.975 kg is the answer. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, student, and here Next questions here. Second, example second. Subtract 300 meter from 450 meter. Then solution for this we get here. Subtract 300 meter from 450 meter. In this case, unit are same, not different. It all are major unit. Then we subtract here from question, from questions we get 450 meter minus 300 meter. Subtract this from this. Therefore, 450 minus 300 meter. Not some student write 300 meter minus 450 meter. That is wrong. You always write from this minus this. Okay. 400. Therefore, 450 meter minus 300 meter. We get here 150 meter, which is answer. Okay, student. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay. Next problems I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.